So this is where the tire's at right now, which you see it doesn't come past the fender there. Everybody, if this is your first time on this video or first time to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you can get the new videos every time we upload. And we upload a couple times a week. We try to, at least, if not minimum one time a week. You definitely don't want to be missing out on what's going on and just the exciting stuff that's going on with the channel and things like that. So right now we're heading to Xander 13's garage. We're headed over to Alex's house and we're going to get the next mod put on the car. So pretty excited. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like, how it's going to turn out. If you watched the previous video, you know that we did the exhaust and it still sounds really good to me. So really excited about that. Can't wait for the future builds of the channel. Alright, so we just got in, so let's get to work. Alright everybody, so we're here, we're with Xander 13, as you can see, in his garage.
What's up, guys?
We'll link him in the thing. If you're not following Xander 13, you should be already. He's got a bunch of videos out. He's got a 2000 brand new 19 Mustang, which is right there. And he's got a bunch of cool mods, bunch of stuff that he has before. And he's got a bunch of more stuff coming out. So if you guys haven't followed him already and subscribed to his channel, go follow him. Find him at Xander 13 Automotive on Instagram. On Instagram, is it Xander 13?
Xander 13 _ official.
Okay.
And just excuse my messy garage. We do live in it.
All right. So the main attraction for today is this box right here. We just got in the mail not too long ago. We're going to go ahead and get it opened up and show you guys what we got.
Trying to do this one-handed.
If a rat pops out of here, it's not my fault, guys. Alright, so here we go. Let's get this stuff out. That's pretty cool. I don't know. It's like cut up cardboard. I guess it's better than bubble wrap, maybe? So there we go. Put that off to the side. There it is. That's 4 spacers. 1-inch spacers for the Mustang. Let's go ahead and get this wrap off of. So I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to Titan Wheels Accessories. That's where I got these from. I had them for the SS and we returned them since we did get the Mustang, and they went ahead with no problems. The very next day sent me out the 1-inch spacers for the 18 Mustang. So look at that. They're not cheap. Hub centric.
Nothing of the future left for you until we build up enough resistance.
Retribution against the system. Whoa. Taking a stand, this wasn't enough. We the people expect a terrible change that works for us. Living in a fantasy, taking everything away from me. Losing faith was a reaction to your miscalculation. Waiting to watch the world burn. Waiting to watch the world burn. Until we build up resistance. A reaction to your
So we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for some of the follow-up videos with some more mods that may be coming in the mail. We'll see. Who knows? What do we got? I don't know. I don't know what to say. Xander 13, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Put in some hard work. We were sweating in the garage.
You guys need to jump on this Instagram game. So
Oh yeah.
you got mine, you got his, but you like pictures and stuff like that, and it's another form of communication. Jump all over that. Definitely give us a follow.
Definitely go ahead and shoot any messages in the DM for sure. Instagram, Gabe's Addiction, of course.
Xander 13. So we got Xander 13 _ official.
Peace.